Okay, so in this video, I want to show you that how we can flash the operating system into the SD card of Jetson platform. At the beginning, you should search this website, search Jetson plus the model you use. It could be Jetson Nano, but here we are using a Jetson Xzivia NX development kit. Get started. So this is a very good user guide to help you set up everything. Initially, we need this. We need to download this Jetpack operating system by click this link. Then, when you see this website, scroll down and find this SD card image method and choose the correct version. Here we are choosing this Xzivia NX version. This image is quite big. It's around 10 gigabytes. So that's why we already downloaded it to save time. The next package we are going to need is SD card formatter. Oh, by the way, here we are um, running the instructions for Windows, but if you are using other operating system, you can follow these links. The procedure are quite similar. So back to here, we choose to download the SD card format for Windows. And on this website, you need to briefly read these terms and click the accept to download the package. It's quite small, but we also have downloaded already. The last package we need is Etcher, which is used to burn the image into the SD card. So click this link to download. Choose download Etcher, then we choose the first option, but you should choose which option fits your operating system. The package is also small and we have already downloaded it. So here I want to show you that this is the Etcher package, installation package. This is the SD card format installation package, and this is the just an operating system image. So let's install the SD card format first. So by the way, we are doing this as a live demo, so we might have some issues, but we will also show you that how we solve these issues in real time. So click here, then click here. Here we should extract all. And on this window, we choose extract. I guess we already, this is because we installed this package in the past, but we want to show you that how to do it from scratch. So here, you probably won't see this window from a fresh installation, but here we just choose replace these files in the destination. And here is the package we need for installation. And here is the install wizard. Wait for a second. And on this window, click next, then accept the terms, next. Choosing the kind of the directory for installation, click next, and click install. Okay, so it's quite quick. So launch the program, and this is how the format looks. So now let's close this folder and install Etcher. The installation is quite straightforward. You just click agree, then the Etcher is installing, and after that, everything should works. So this is Etcher, how it looks. So now what we need to do is to insert your SD card to your PC. So let's do it now. And here we are using a 128 gigabyte SD card. As you can see, the SD card already show up here. So let's do a quick format. I have to mention that although you can do the SD card formatting by using the default Windows kind of option, but NVIDIA suggests you to use this app specifically. So let's click format, then yes, it should take some time. Okay, it's done. So now let's choose flash from file. Then we choose this JSON SD card image, click open. Then we select the SD card we have and choose to flash. Okay, so this is a warning, but that's fine. Let's click yes, I'm sure to proceed. Yeah, so the total process is about 5 to 10 minutes. So let's pause the recording for now. Then I will come back after the flashing. Okay, now the flashing is finished. There are still two things you need to do. First, you will see a lot of window like this. Basically, ask you to format some disk in your PC. Please do not click format disk. You must click cancel, and you will sometimes receive a lot of windows like this one. Just click cancel to all of them. So I have quite few to click. Um, okay, so after you click all the windows, click cancel on all the windows. Now you can eject your micro SD card from the PC. So eject. Okay, so that's the two step you need to do after the flashing.